Why the Japanese are some of the best traders in the world. The Japanese are considered some of the best traders globally, which is particularly interesting given the apparent prevalence of gambling culture in Japan. From gacha machines to claw grabbers in train stations and malls, the allure of chance and risk is evident. However, this seemingly contradictory blend of gambling culture and trading success presents a fascinating subject. So, what makes the Japanese excel in trading? Low cost of entry, a gateway to trading. One of the primary reasons why the Japanese excel in trading is the low cost of entry. Gacha machines, immensely popular in Japan, cost very little to play, typically around 100 yen, which is approximately 50 cents to $1 depending on the exchange rate. This low financial barrier makes it easier for individuals to engage in trading activities without significant financial risk. This early exposure to risk-reward scenarios, although on a smaller scale, could help develop a trader's mindset from a young age. Conservative culture, cautious and calculated approaches. Japan is known for its conservative culture, which significantly influences trading habits. The Japanese are less likely to throw all their money into a single trade. Instead, they prefer to be cautious and calculated, minimizing risks and ensuring they do not overextend themselves financially. This conservative approach leads to more sustainable trading practices, where the focus is on long-term gains rather than short-term gambles. Restrictive leverage, curbing excessive risk. Another factor contributing to their trading success is Japan's restrictive leverage policies. In Japan, leverage is less generous than in many other countries. This means traders cannot borrow excessive amounts to amplify their trades, naturally curbing the potential for massive losses and discouraging reckless, gambling-like behavior. By limiting leverage, Japanese traders are forced to make more prudent and calculated decisions. Adherence to rules and strategies, the discipline factor. The Japanese are known for their discipline and adherence to rules, extending to their trading practices. They are much more likely to follow technical analysis rules and trading strategies meticulously. This disciplined approach ensures that they make informed decisions based on established methods rather than impulsive actions. The consistency of following tried-and-tested strategies significantly enhances their chances of success in the trading world. The role of technical analysis, a strategic edge. Technical analysis plays a crucial role in Japanese trading success. Japanese traders are well versed in various technical analysis techniques, following these strategies rigorously. By sticking to these strategies, they can minimize risks and enhance their chances of making profitable trades. The focus on technical analysis allows traders to make decisions based on data and trends rather than mere speculation, adding a layer of precision to their trading activities. Conclusion. Several factors contribute to the Japanese being some of the best traders in the world. Their low-cost entry into trading activities, conservative culture, restrictive leverage policies, and strict adherence to technical analysis and trading strategies all play a significant role. These factors combined create an environment where trading is approached with caution and discipline, leading to greater success in the financial markets.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.